In this video, I'll give you a tour of the An Nut neighborhood in Bangkok, Thailand. It's a great balance of convenience and affordability. My friend Ying will be joining us. She also has a YouTube channel and will share some of her knowledge about the area and give us a tour of her condominium.
Yes, welcome to my apartment.
With units available starting as low as $250 per month. The area around An Nut BTS station is a bustling and vibrant neighborhood, known for its mix of residential and commercial spaces. If you're looking for a neighborhood to live in Bangkok, An Nut offers a balance of convenience and affordability. An Nut also boasts a variety of street food stalls and restaurants, serving up delicious and affordable Thai cuisine and international food. Around Bangkok, you'll see a lot of these little strip malls, and I'm going to have breakfast at this one here. There's just a lot of little booths where you can go and choose what you want, and I really like that this one has a small coffee shop here with great local prices, so you can really eat an affordable meal here easily. I'm at Mini Heart Coffee right now, and we just ordered 2 drinks. Got a hot latte for 35 baht and an Americano with orange juice cold for 40 baht. Oh, look at that.
No fan.
Make me poo poo. So my chicken and rice meal with soup and a hot latte is 95, so less than $3 for breakfast. Here is a street with a lot of the massage shops on it, and right here I can see that the Thai massage is 250 baht. Here are the standard prices that most places in this area charge. A foot massage is 280 Thai Baht. Thai massage is 250. And normal oil massage is 400. These are kind of the standard prices at all the places in this area. So on this street, there's a lot of the fruit markets and different street food available here. So it's another place in the neighborhood where it's easy to get good, cheap food. I've eaten a few meals here already. Look at that. There's lots of choices. Also packaged to go. Got a lot of fresh produce if you want to cook at home. Got some satay going on here. This is Better Moon Refill Station. They have sustainable items. They've got vegetarian and vegan options. And they also have rooms available here. It's a nice choice of tea, refillable items where you bring your own container. So their double room is 1,000 baht, and the bunk bedroom is 1,350 baht. I just got a mango. They're 80 baht per kilo. So here is a kilo of the rose apple, and they're kind of like a very crispy pear. 180 baht for a haircut. All right, nice little barber shop here. We're at the Big C complex now, and it's like a super Walmart. It's gigantic. There's several floors of things here. And this right here is the food place. So you can see it's a large grocery store that has just about everything. So there's no problem shopping here in Bangkok. You've got giant grocery stores all around. I'm about to meet my friend Ying, and she's in a condominium that's about a 3-minute motorbike ride from the BTS station. If you come out to this area, you're going to find a condo that actually has a lot better value. You get more amenities here for the money, and you won't be as close to the BTS station, but you will have things like a swimming pool, maybe a gym, and a lot more for your money as far as the room quality goes. Let's go take a look. Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
Good. So you're going to show us your place.
Yes, welcome to my apartment.
All right, let's go for the tour.
Yeah, so right now we are at the common area, which there are a swimming pool, gym, and also the office. We have 4 buildings at this apartment. So
Okay.
I'm gonna show you first co-working space.
So a big swimming pool.
Yeah, they have like 2 sides of the swimming pool here. It's really big. And
Nice.
before you access here, you need a key always for security.
Good.
Yep. And on my right hand side, here is the co-working space. So if you want to check it
Yeah,
out,
let's take a look.
let's
This is
go
nice.
inside. You have to be quiet a little bit. Yep. Okay. From here, you can also access to the pool. Okay. Sorry about the water. There is like leaves.
Windy. It's a windy
yeah,
day
it's windy.
today. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, so that's very nice. There's 2 sides.
yes.
Do you use the pool very often?
Not very often, but I like to come working here sometimes,
Oh,
sitting by
nice.
the pool, and I just come at night where nobody sees you.
Oh, okay. And
Yep.
then there's a gym.
Yes, the gym is on the opposite side.
Oh, nice.
The lights a little bit.
There's some exercise machines. There's some nice weights and weight bench. So yeah, it's enough to get a good little workout.
Yeah, there are enough equipment.
And then a nice view to the swimming pool on this side.
We're going to the other side of the swimming pool. So this side are more like for swimming. It's deeper than the other side.
Oh, this side's, oh yeah, it looks deep.
Yeah, there are more people at nighttime.
Well, when it's cooler, hanging out and working, talking.
Right.
Okay, let's see your place.
Okay, cool.
And, all right,
So 30 square.
30 square meters.
Yes.
All right. So small, but not bad for one person, right?
Yeah, but most of the apartment in Bangkok is like 30. One bedroom is 30 square meters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
I
got
wish to have a bigger one.
you got a hot plate, you've got a small refrigerator,
Yes.
you've got enough storage for your dishes,
Yes.
a table that you can eat or work at,
Yeah. And this is the couch.
balcony.
Yes.
So I like this, your bathroom, the toilet room is separated from your bathroom, but you can reach it either way. So if you want to have the privacy and a guest, they don't have to go
Yeah.
through your bedroom to get to the toilet.
Yes.
And then for your own convenience, you can get to it
Yeah.
either way. That's really nice. I like that.
Yeah.
So that's a nice setup. And then, oh, you got a desk in your bedroom too.
Yeah.
That's nice. So you work here a lot.
Well, I usually like sitting here and working
Oh, yeah.
and turning on my big screen of the TV, like listening to music
Oh,
or working.
good.
And I moved that table here just to sit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Queen size bed. King
It's
size,
6
yeah.
foot.
Yeah, so very wide. And then you've got
Yeah.
storage, you've got a
And
bathroom.
here you can access to the bathroom.
So very
You would have
good.
seen that. Yeah.
Oh,
it's
you're
like-
clean. You got it all looking great.
It
Yeah.
was like this before, but I just like organized a little bit.
But you got a nice shower.
Yeah. It's really nice for one person.
Yeah, for one person, it's a lot of space.
Yeah.
And then you've got the toilet room here. So very nice. And tell me the prices. If somebody is renting apartments here, what is the range?
Yeah, I was searching on the internet and I see the price in between 9,000 to 12,000.
Okay, so
Yeah.
9,000 is going to be a lower floor, fairly simple.
Yeah.
12,000.
It depends on if the owner like have a very, very nice setup and you
Yeah.
know, built-in decorations, the price is gonna be more. But if I rent it out, it's gonna be in between 9,000 to 12. you
Yeah,
know. And this place is not very far from the BTS. You can take a bike like less than 3 minutes. And for the bikes, like 20 baht when you come here. And when you go out, 15 baht for going and for coming back 20 baht. I don't know why they're different, but they're like different company for the bike as well. And also the value of living here, I think it's cheaper than, you know, living close to BTS. I think the price, if you rent the apartment next to the BTS, is more than 15,000.
So it starts about 15,000 next to the BTS.
Yeah. This area is more like local people are living, basically like Thai people, you know, and the cost of living is a little cheaper because you can just buy like local food or market. Around here, there are like shopping mall, and also there are supermarkets and market where you can just like go wherever and pick whatever food you want, cheaper or expensive, you know, many options. And here's like you can access to nearby neighborhood. For example, like if you want to go to a stock, it takes just like 20 to 30 minutes by BTS. I think the apartment in this area is cheaper, much cheaper than the one in business area like Aso, Thonglo, or even Plunjit or Siam, where you can like stay nearby the BTS, but you can pay less than like in business area. My gym where I go is the Fitness Platinum Ekkamai. I usually drive there, so it takes less than 15 minutes. Yeah, but if I take the BTS, it's like less than 20 minutes because I have to walk from the BTS just like 400 meters. Yeah. Here we are at the Fitness Platinum Ekkamai. About the prices here, 1 month costs 2,000 baht and 1 year basically it's like 16,000, but they have a promotion, so it costs 7,272 baht right now. And if you are foreigners, if you apply for a membership and then you are like suddenly going back to your country, you can freeze the membership and then you can come back and continue it later. Here they also have classes that you can join, for example, Zumba dance and yoga and also bicycle.
The spinning class.
Yeah, they have like any other gym.
And those are included in the price?
Yes, that's included in the price. If you want to join a class, you have to book in advance because they limit the people. So here they have the equipments.
The equipment,
They have different equipments, all in red, and I really love it. And yeah, it's like very open. And also they have this area for like bicycle. All right.
Yeah, the gym goes on and on. The cost of renting a condo in the En Nut neighborhood of Bangkok can vary depending on factors such as size, amenities, and proximity to public transportation. Generally, one-bedroom condos in this area rent for around 15,000 to 25,000 Thai Baht, about 450 to 750 US dollars per month. The nightly cost for staying in a hotel or Airbnb can vary quite a bit. A budget room will start around 800 to 1,200 Thai Baht, about 24 to 36 US dollars per night. And the price will vary depending on the time of year and whether you book it in advance or last minute. Additionally, the neighborhood is well connected by public transportation, making it easy for residents and visitors to explore other parts of Bangkok. So I'm with my friend Ying right now. So where are we at now?
We just stopped at BTS En Nut and then we walked out to the typical area like outdoor community. Then they have clothes and food around here, so we are gonna eat here. So this is my favorite restaurant.
Your favorite spot, huh?
Yeah, favorite spot.
Okay, and what's their specialty? Seafood?
Yeah, they have like Thai food, seafood, different kind of food here, and the price is like very reasonable. So
all right, so we'll order some things and eat.
Yeah, sure.
So we just got our food ordered, and I got the pad Thai, which is very common. You're probably familiar with.
This is omelette with the shrimp.
Shrimp
And
omelet.
put a little bit of chili on the top.
That's what I got last time I was here. It's very good.
Yeah. For pad Thai, this one is 70 baht. And for my omelette shrimp is 80 baht.
80 baht.
We got drink. So my iced coffee, 50 baht. So yours like a pineapple juice? Pineapple? Yeah, this is 40.
40 baht.
So 150 and 90,
150.
240,
140. She's good at
240 for lunch.
She's good at math. So
Thank you.
very good.
Yeah.
If you like this video, make sure to watch for my next video where Ying and I will tour one of the best free places for co-working in Bangkok. It's also an incubator for tech startups and has shopping, a dog park, and a running track. And also, please share the video with someone that might find it helpful and leave a comment. It helps support the channel so that I can keep bringing you free videos here at Living Overseas TV.